Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing a coding video. Enjoy. Okay guys, so now what we want to do is you want to get into PyCharm so that you can work on this. And currently we're going to do Python, so if you need any help, any questions, just comment down below. So today we're going to learn variables. So do you know what a variable is? If you do, thumbs up. But yeah, so pretty much a variable is something that stores data in coding. So today we're going to learn how to do variables. So variables are named, like you give them a name and then you give them an equal sign and then their value, their data. So first thing you want to do is you want to say something like Sid is equal to human. So you know that Sid is a stored variable and he is human, right? And you can add more to it and more stuff like that, but that's pretty much the basics. Variables can be stored in different ways. They can be stored as numbers, like if I were to say 1. They can be stored as, again, strings, which are like hello or human, like I said earlier. But you can't just say somebody is a human, so you want to be very descriptive. So if you say something like Sid age, right? You would put Sid age, and since it's a variable, it needs to be in one-word phrases. So you want to do something like that, and you want to make sure it's all lowercase, and then you got yourself a variable in Python. So, okay, there you go. So now that you have Sid age, you can do something like Sid age is 12. So that would be useful for a number. But then there's other forms of it, so it could be a Boolean value, true or false, or other stuff, right? So I could say it's true. Sid is true. Sid's age is true because he has an age. But yeah, that's pretty much how it works. You don't really need to worry about anything. Yeah, so that's it.